Matter can be classified, a sample of matter can be classified as either a sample of a pure substance or a mixture of substances. Okay? Now, most of the matter, samples of matter that you encounter in nature are mixtures of substances. Okay? Oops. So, mixtures of substances. Now, a sample that contains only one substance is called a pure substance. And they are kind of rare in nature. Okay? What you do is you have a sample of matter and you get it, a natural sample of matter. You separate it into parts. Okay? And so these parts are called substances. Okay? And so you isolate them in the lab. Now, there are two kinds of substances. So those two kinds are called either element or a compound. Okay, an element, okay, is a substance that you cannot separate into two or more distinct components. In other words, if you have a sample of matter, it's got all of these unique properties. So if you can separate it into two parts that have different properties, then you say you can still separate it into two distinct parts, right? So if you can't do that, then what you have is called an element. If you have a substance that you can still separate into two or more elements, then you call it a compound. And now we're going to, sometime later, we're going to talk about what's the difference between a mixture and a compound. We'll get to that later, okay?